Catch it! Oh shoot! We're gonna catch us a trout. What up, guys? We're back. We're headed to the falls right now. We're gonna do some fishing in some waterfalls. So got our bags packed. I'll be interested to see if we can even catch anything because you saw last time we ate a chub. It's not looking up for us in the fishing realm right now, but we're figuring it out slowly. So yeah. Alright, so we're headed to catch no fish once again. It's like an average thing when we do this now. We don't catch anything. So we're headed, but we're gonna fish some waterfalls. I feel like that's a pretty cool, like, at least it looks cool while we fish now. It's not about the fishing. It's about the experience. Alright, we just got here. We're getting our bags. I love this spot, man. It's just beautiful. So, we're gonna clip up. There's a few other cars here. Oh God, hopefully there's not too many people. All right, Carter's currently walking down the mountain. As you can tell, it doesn't look that steep. It's that steep, I promise. It's pretty brutal. All right, we're off. We're hiking. Seeing if we can get through this terrain. It's pretty rocky. But man, it's so pretty through here, guys. There's some hikers up above us. Oh, this hole. Oh, there's fish. Look. Oh, look at that one. Something was bigger right there.
Oh shoot, that's a trout.
Where?
Just went to our left, near the ground.
Shoot. Gonna see if I can catch anything on the streamer. Carter, look at this hole. Carter? There's some crazy spots you could do it here. Oh, you caught one. It's a trout. It's a trout. It's a trout. Oh my God, you caught a brook. Carter.
Let's go.
That's so pretty, Carter. That's the cool. I caught it all on video. Guys, look at that fish. Oh shoot, Carter's going for a bouldering bite. What are you doing, bruh? Oh. He's reducing the glare of this big, deep pool. This is where we're fishing. We caught that first trout out of. See any? Going up the hill. I'll see you. We're going over to the top of the falls. This hole's been a bust since that fish. We're currently hiking under some power lines. Not really sure how we ended up here. I see the water down there, Carter. It's quite a bit away, but I see it. Holy heck. Guys, this is getting intense. Oh, Jesus. But we're on a hike. Now, we'll see you in a second. Oh. Yeah, I'm good. I'm hurt though. Got me pretty good, guys. Thorn bush got me pretty good. Ooh, hurts a little bit. Now we're hopping across rocks. Oh no. Up the river. And my toe just went in the water. Having a rough day. I also have a giant slice on my leg. Oh, at least it's... I would take a guess, yes. There's like a main road right there. Yeah, we could walk it. Alright guys, we're back at the first spot. We're gonna see if we can catch one here. Guys, this is the main fall. Goes into this pool. It's about like 7-8 foot deep. Me and Carter were surprised that they're in here, but at the same time, man, it's an hatchery supported this creek, and they gotta be. Some of them gotta flow down here. There's Carter. We just came from all the way over there, so hopefully we can find something. Hey Carter, I think I see a trout down there.
What?
I think I see a trout. Down there.
I'm not doing that, Trout.
Carter, I think I see one. Carter, I think you gotta get it.
It's so cold, bro.
Carter, go get the trout.
It's so cold. You go get the trout.
I have the camera, I can. Hey Carter, you see that trout right there?
What trout?
The one right there. You gotta catch it. Oh shoot! Did you get the trout? Dang, no trout.
I've touched the bottom like instantly.
Oh my God, guys. The water is freezing. Now I'm wet. We're gonna catch us a trout. But like for the ice bath challenge. Ice bath challenge. Holy. Woo!
Is it cold?
It's cold, boys. It's like a rock right here.
Float like a butterfly.
Sting like a bee. There's a rock right there. You guys can feel it.
Ah, it's freezing.
Breathe. Oh, I got you. I got you. It's a double. Woo! Guys, I can't lie to you. That felt so good. Me and Carter, man, we feeling good right now, right, man? Oh shoot, we feeling so good right now. I think we're gonna go explore a little more. See if we can try to catch one more fish. Maybe not.
Catch another fish?
I wouldn't mind.
Where?
Wherever the wind takes us. What up? We're back. We moved to a new spot. We've actually been here before. It may have been in my intro video, kind of the new theme of the channel. It's like a nice little run right there. Carter's behind me. Well, it was quite an adventure today. Sadly, we didn't catch as many as we would like to. It's, you know, this summer it's hard. It is what it is. But we'll see you guys next week for the next video.